guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your background turn like pixelated, I guess. So copy and paste your video, and we're going to select the background, and we're going to go to effects, and we're going to search for the mosaic effect. We're then going to add it on top of just the background. Then on the foreground, we're going to go to cutout, and we're going to select auto cutout. So that's pixelated already, and I wanted to kind of like fade in to that pixel, but kind of like mask it. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste it twice, and then, sorry, one time. And then on this video, we're going to right click, create compound clip. Go to mask, and we're going to then select the horizontal one, and you can start from the bottom up or from the top to bottom. Okay, hope that made sense. So I'm actually just going to rotate it because I want it to go from the bottom and up. Add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the like on the middle or at the end, you're just going to want to drag the line up. And okay, I did not add a keyframe here. Sorry, don't know why. Did not do that. Don't forget to press the keyframe, y'all. I keep forgetting. And then we can put it up here. There we go. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!